Hey guys, welcome back to 29 Days of Bot Creation with Elaine and Jess. Elaine here today and I'm going to show you how you can add your bot to your Power BI dashboard. So first of all, you need to have your Power BI open. So I have here my Power BI and I have here is my Pro license. Then I'm going to go to my Power Virtual Agent homepage. I'll go to the publish. So make sure you publish so that you get your latest content. Every time if you have make any changes, make sure you run a publish so that you can put up your latest content to whatever channels that you want to publish it to. So now I'll go to channels, I'll go to custom website, and here I'll just copy this bot. Oh wait. Oh, sorry, because for Power BI, I just need the iframe, not the whole thing. So I'll just copy the iframe here. Just do a copy. Now, going to Power BI, I just need to create a dashboard. So I go to my workspace. I have one here created Power BI. I'll just create another one. I'll create a dashboard and call it 29 days bot. Power bot. Dashboard. Create. Then I'll just add a tile. So on the tile, I'll add a web content. And here I could just put in the code. Oops. So here's the iframe. I can have a title if I want to, or else I'll just leave it as it is. And then here you go. So I'll say hello. Let's see. Yeah, what can I help you today? Website. It should give me the website. There you go. So now if I want to edit this tile, let's see if I could make the width bigger. So I'll just change this to probably 500. And then the height as well. Just make sure you do not accidentally delete any of the semicolon. So why do I make it 600, 700? px. Okay, so it's longer, but then it's still subjected to the tile size, so it doesn't automatically expand. But that's all right. That's good enough. So there you go. Just simply two steps or three steps. You copy the link, open your Power BI dashboard, create a tile, copy the link, iframe link onto the tile. So there's 4 steps and you can add it to your Power BI dashboard. So enjoy and happy botting. Bye.